Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marsons with your Tuesday morning forecast update. We have a little front swinging through today that will bring some scattered thunderstorms likely after lunchtime. So through the afternoon and evening, many of us will see these scattered storms today. And this may be our final day of the daily rain chances here, as we are going to dry out a touch through the middle of the week before we have one more front on the way late Friday, early Saturday, which will bring another chance of rain. But the front that is coming in today will at least provide us with some marginal temperature and humidity relief in the upcoming days. So we will kind of get back into some cooler air, especially during the nights and mornings through the middle of the week. So the front is currently located just south of Interstate 30. We did have some storms last night, and all the rain is gone so far this morning. So we'll start out partly cloudy with temperatures here in the upper 60s. The wind is turned to the north, just north of I-30, so that will start to drop the humidity in those locations. And basically, the humidity will pile up today, I-20 and southward, just out ahead of the front. And as the front kind of hits those warmer temperatures this afternoon, that's when we expect some of those scattered storms will pop up. But yesterday, a lot of us did reach 90s. There will be many of us enjoying that temperature drop today. Will be at just 80 in Idabel, 85 for Texarkana, and Shreveport winds up at 86 degrees. So the front, again, located just south of I-30 this afternoon, will trigger some scattered storms. So I think there's a pretty good chance if you're on I-20, including Marshall, Shreveport, Minden, we will see some afternoon storms, and should see some of that rain down towards Natchitoches kind of late afternoon, early evening, and then the front will kind of push out of here tonight. I've left just a 20% chance of some rain in the forecast tomorrow, but we will be dry and more comfortable here Wednesday as well as Thursday before we have that one more chance for rain late this week. And again, not too concerned about any heavy rain, but if you get under a thunderstorm that's not moving too much, you could see a quick inch or two of rain in some spots today, but I really don't think it will be enough to trigger any flooding issues for us. But again, with these storms today, we're not expecting any severe weather, but each time we have not been in the severe weather outlook over the past week, we've still had a storm or two that's brought some damaging downburst type winds. So if you hear any thunderstorms today, definitely can pick up some wind and some brief heavy rain, but the storm should go away tonight. Notice the overnight lows through the weekend much more pleasant for us. Rather than being in the 70s, we'll have a lot of 60-degree mornings, which will be nice for those of us that like to get up early and kind of enjoy the early morning temperatures. Daytime highs will stay quite warm, but the humidity will be lower Wednesday and Thursday, but the humidity builds back in Friday. Pretty warm day Friday, as will be in the low 90s, but that next front coming in late Friday, early Saturday will likely trigger some overnight storms here. As of now, it looks like the rain will clear out of here pretty quickly on Saturday. Leaves us a nice weekend with highs just a little bit below average in the low 80s Saturday as well as Sunday.